Good morning. I'm going to show you how I do my liner. So first I'm going to take my e.l.f. Stickers, and I take one and I cut it in half. And what I do, I'm blind, so I have my glasses off so I can't really see. So I take my tape and I want to put it like right at the corner of my eye. Right here, and I'm going to lay it down, smash it where I want it. To the other side, and make sure that it's at the same place, because usually it is not. I'm going to change mine. I don't want it right under my eye. I want it right here. So I'm going to take this one off and change it to right here. So make sure it's matching and it's at an even where you want your, well, you don't want to put it where you want your wing to stop, because you can stop anywhere. But if I want my wing to go all the way up here, then my tape is right there, and my tape is higher on this side, so I wouldn't want to do it all the way up there. I'd probably stop somewhere in the middle. So today I'm going to put on like a brown and gold, my last Christmas color. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to outline where I want, only where I want to put the eyeshadow on. And I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and put it right where the concealer is at. Now this was going to make it darker, but I'm going for a dark color, so I'm using my dark setting powder. And this is just so it like dry out and be able to, you can able to add your eyeshadow without it like messing up your concealer. So then I'm taking the color that I want and I'm just patting it on, because usually I have time to let it dry, but I'm in a rush today, so I don't. I pat it on first, and then when I feel like it's on enough, then I'll blend it in. It's just one color today, so I don't really need to outline where I want the brown to go. And then I'm going to take my mascara and go over my eyelashes, my own eyelashes. Which I should go over them and brush them sideways so they won't be like sticky together. And the reason why I do this is because sometimes when I do my eyeshadow, the eyeshadow gets on my lashes. So when I put on the falsies, you can see where my lashes are, because it has like pink eyeshadow on it, or any color that I use. Even this brown color can get on it, but it didn't today because I'm getting better at putting it on. But I'm still gonna always put this on because it's, you know, mandatory for me to do it. So today I'm going with some gold and brown. I was gonna do green and I mean, I was gonna do red to go with my hat, red and black to go with my hat, but I chose not to. So I did the other two colors. So today I'm just gonna do the glitter. So what I did is I took, I have a palette that has glitter in it. And it's like, you cannot rub it in, so you have to take your brush, dab it in the eyeshadow, and tap it on. So it looks like it's not a lot on there, but it's enough for me. I don't want to overdo it, and besides, it's falling on my face, so I don't really want to put too much on there. Okay, now to get into why you are really here, or why I really made this video. So I use CoverGirl mascara. I mean liquid liner. I think it has the best tip. Ooh, my hands are ashy. Anyway, hold on. Only got like 3 minutes. So I'm probably going to Snapchat. So what I do first is I go and line the very bottom of my lid. Right? Now I make mine very thick, and it's because I have a hood eye, which that means, you see I have a crinkle, like a crease right here. So when I do my wing, it's gonna look like it's under my eye when I open my eyes. So there's a way to fix it, but I just haven't watched the video and practiced to fix it, but whatever. I just do it my way. So I'm gonna finish out my line. I need some more mascara. I mean, some more liner because I'm running out. I have a lot, but it's not CoverGirl. So then I go on the side of my tape where I want my wing to start, and I go up to where I want to stop. And then once I get to where I want to stop, I go down. Wait, hold on. Right, so you go like a line. And you see how when I open my eye, it's like the wing is all messed up. It's because I have a hood eye. So it's never gonna look right if I want like a big wing. I have to wear tiny wings, and I don't like tiny wings. So I just make my wing super thick, as you can see, and that works for me. Another thing I want to show you is how I put on my lashes. So first, I take my lash glue, and I use Kiss Lash Glue. I take my lash glue and I put it on, like I'm putting wherever I put my black liner at. I put it there. It looks like I'm running out of glue as well. I have lots of glue though, so don't worry about it. If you're not gonna do liner, I suggest using the clear glue, the white glue, because it dries clear. I almost never fail not to get that in my freaking eye. And if you're gonna use liner, you can use the clear for either one, but I use the black because I just do. I don't really have a preference. I like them both, and I have them both. And I always gotta have a wing. Also, I put the glue on my lash. I usually put it on my lash first and then put it on my eye, but it really doesn't matter. Make sure you put enough on there, but not like globs of glue, but just enough to cover all of the lash, the tip with a band at. And I let it dry for about 30 seconds on my eyelids and on my falsies, my lashes. So after that is dry, which has been more than 30 seconds because I did my lips. So I take my lash and I bend it like this. So when I get ready to put it on, it goes where it needs to go. So I take a mirror and I look down in my mirror. I'm looking down, but my eyes are still open. And I take my lash and I place it in my inner part of my lash first. And then I lay it down with I could do it with my fingers, but some people can't. They gotta have the tweezers. And you see how tacky it is? It's already sticking. So once I put it down, it will stay down because it's already tacky and sticky. I do this because these lashes I have been wearing all week. And if I just put glue on that lash and not on my eye and the lash, then it's like it won't stay down. So I've learned to do this way to put it on my lash and the lash on my eyelid and the falsies as well, so it will stay. So I take the tweezers and I just smash it in so it can stay, even though it's going to, you know. And you can also take mascara after that and add it under your lash. Ow! Now this one is not on all the way. Just spread it out. Mash it down. So my time ran out, so I had to come to Snapchat and make a video. So I take the mascara and I go under my eye on my eyelids again. I mean eyelashes and the falsies, because I've been wearing these like all week and it got like red glitter in it probably. And the final part is you take off the sticker. And you can probably see like a good clear line. Well, this side is like really messed up. I have to fix that because I couldn't really see on that side. I was rushing. So, but anyway, you'll see on this side it looks pretty good. And I will clean up under here. I don't know if you care about this part or you want to do this part, but I take my black. This is especially for eyeliner, like under your eyes, so you won't it won't make you cry and it won't get in your eye, because it's a pencil that's very smooth and it goes under your eye, like under your eyelids. You know, it's not the liquid kind that go above your eye. Also, I wanted to tell you that after I put my lashes on, because I've worn these so many times, I take my liquid liner and go over my lash and like retrace my black line. So that is it. And if you have any questions and you need any videos made just for you, let me know. I don't mind making them because I've tried my makeup. Like I was saying before I got cut off. If you need a video like specifically made for you, let me know. I will make it as much as I can, but I have made like a tutorial video that I'm gonna post probably Sunday, so you know you can look for that one. And I'm gonna do another video where I talk all the way through my video and tell you exactly what I'm doing, and when I post it I will send it to you so you would know. What I also did, I took my, like this is my the little eyeshadow I use, and went under my eye so it could be shiny. You see these bags? Some of us need sleep. Anyway, let me know if this helped you, and let me know the outcome of how it looked once you do it. I would like to see it. Bye.